In today's world, data is not just collected, it flows through a system. From the moment it is generated to the point where it creates value, data passes through several critical stages. Understanding this flow is essential for turning raw data into meaningful insights. Welcome to Lecture 2. In this lecture, you will learn the data value chain, key stages of data transformation, what big data is, characteristics of big data, 3V and beyond. What is the data value chain? The data value chain describes how data moves through a system to generate value and useful insights. It represents a series of steps that transform raw data into actionable knowledge. Stages of the data value chain. The data value chain includes 5 key stages: data acquisition, data analysis, data curation, data storage, data usage. 1. Data acquisition. Data acquisition is the process of collecting, filtering, and cleaning data before storing it for analysis. It is one of the most challenging stages due to infrastructure requirements. Key requirements include handling large volumes of data, supporting high transaction rates, operating in distributed environments, ensuring low and predictable delays. Real-world examples. In agriculture, sensors collect soil moisture data. In business, transaction systems collect sales data. In healthcare, patient monitoring devices collect vital signs. 2. Data analysis. Data analysis transforms raw data into useful information for decision-making. It involves exploring data, transforming data, modeling data. The goal is to extract meaningful insights and identify patterns. Related fields include data mining, business intelligence, machine learning. Examples: businesses analyze customer data to improve marketing strategies. Hospitals analyze patient data to improve treatment outcomes. 3. Data curation. Data curation is the active management of data throughout its life cycle. Its purpose is to ensure data quality, accuracy, accessibility, reliability. Key activities include data creation, classification, transformation, validation, preservation. Data curators or experts ensure that data is trustworthy, discoverable, reusable. Example: in research, curated datasets ensure accurate scientific results. 4. Data storage. Data storage refers to how data is stored and managed for efficient access and use. Traditionally, relational database management systems, RDBMS, have been used for data storage. These systems follow ACID properties: atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. However, traditional systems face challenges with large-scale data. To address this, NoSQL technologies have been developed. Advantages of NoSQL: scalability, flexibility, ability to handle complex data. Examples: social media platforms use NoSQL databases to handle massive and diverse data. 5. Data usage. Data usage involves applying data to support decision-making and operations. It integrates data insights into real-world activities. Benefits include cost reduction, increased efficiency, improved performance, competitive advantage. Examples: businesses use data to optimize pricing strategies. Governments use data to plan policies and services. Organizations use data to improve productivity. What is big data? Big data refers to extremely large and complex datasets that cannot be processed using traditional tools. It requires advanced technologies for storage, processing, and analysis. Big data includes structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Why big data matters? The scale and importance of data have increased significantly in recent years. Organizations rely on big data to gain insights and make better decisions. Characteristics of big data, 3V and beyond. Big data is commonly defined by the following characteristics. 1. Volume. Refers to the large amount of data. Examples: social media data, transaction records, sensor data. 2. Velocity. refers to the speed at which data is generated and processed. Examples: live streaming data, financial transactions, real-time monitoring systems. 3. A variety refers to different types of data. Examples: text, images, videos, sensor data. And the 4th, veracity, refers to the quality and reliability of data. Key question: can the data be trusted? Example: incorrect or incomplete data can lead to poor decisions. Real-world case study: e-commerce. An online business generates large amounts of data: customer behavior data, transaction data, product reviews. Using big data, the company analyzes customer preferences, recommends products, optimizes inventory, improves customer experience. Why this matters to you? Understanding the data value chain and big data helps you work with modern data systems, make data-driven decisions, understand how organizations operate, prepare for technology-driven careers. Conclusion: in this lecture, we have learned the data value chain and its stages, the concept of big data, the characteristics of big data, 3V and beyond. Data becomes valuable only when it is properly managed and used. In the next episode, we will explore cluster computing, Hadoop ecosystem, big data processing systems. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.